In this video, I'll show you how to delete your Gamma AI account in 2026. Before deleting your account, remember that this is an important step. If your account contains presentations, documents, or other content that you may need later, make sure to export or save anything important before continuing. First, open Gamma AI on your PC or laptop and log into your account. Once you're inside Gamma, open your profile or account menu and look for the Settings option. Click on Settings to access your account management options. Now, look through the available settings and find the section related to your account or account management. Depending on the current Gamma interface, the option to delete or deactivate your account may be located in this area. If you see an option such as Delete Account, select it to begin the process. Gamma may show a confirmation message explaining what happens when you delete your account. Read this information carefully before continuing. If you're asked to confirm the deletion, follow the instructions shown on the screen. You may need to confirm your decision more than once to prevent accidental account deletion. Before completing the process, make sure you are deleting the correct account and that you have already saved any presentations or important files you want to keep. Once you confirm the deletion, your account may no longer be accessible, and depending on Gamma's current policies, associated content may also be removed. If you're not completely sure about deleting your account, consider checking whether Gamma provides another option, such as canceling a subscription or simply stopping use of the account. Also remember that deleting your Gamma account is different from canceling a paid subscription. If your main goal is to stop future charges, check your subscription settings and cancel the subscription separately if necessary.